said I love you, then they drew away, and they saw me falling, but they couldn't stay. They were so sure it couldn't be truly for them from me. I left you their voice hanging in the air. Inside those words they wouldn't touch, they wouldn't dare. It's time to come home. Don't stay out in the cold. You're not prepackaged, delivered at the right time. You're not calculated to make them feel like they're mine. You're just the sound of my heart. Opening You're